How to start a garden with zero experience. Do you want to start a garden but have no idea where to begin? Don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step. You don't need fancy tools or special skills. You just need a little space, some patience, and the right tips. Step 1. Choose your space. Find a sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. This could be your backyard, balcony, or even windowsill. Step 2. Pick easy plants. Start with lettuce, radishes, herbs like basil or mint, and tomatoes in pots. Step 3. Prepare the soil. Good soil is key. Use garden soil or a compost-rich potting mix. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Step 4. Water the right way. Water deeply but not too often. Check if the top inch of soil is dry before watering again. Step 5. Feed your plants. Give your plants a boost with natural fertilizers like compost, seaweed extract, or worm castings. Step 6. Keep it simple. Don't plant too much at once. Focus on a few crops and learn as you go. Step 7. Watch for pests. Check your plants regularly for slugs, aphids or caterpillars and remove them by hand or use natural pest control. Every gardener started as a beginner. Your first garden doesn't have to be perfect. Just start growing. Add your own comments below. Like this video and subscribe for more easy gardening tips.